Diary of St. Francis de Sales, December 4th. The heart of God is so abundant in love, and His goodness is so infinite, that we can all possess Him without anyone possessing Him less. For infinite goodness cannot be exhausted even while filling all the spirits of the universe with itself. God does not infuse His holy love any less into one soul for loving a multitude of others. As the strength of His love is not diminished by the multitude of rays it spreads, but remains full in its immensity. Teotimus, Book 10, Chapter 11. On December 4th, 1619, our saint began preaching Advent at the Parliament of Grenoble. Extremely annoyed, the Huguenots spread the word that no one should go to hear Francis. Furthermore, they scheduled their own sermons and prayers at the same time that the apostle held his. However, despite these attempts, their temples were always almost empty, while the church of St. Andrew, where the good bishop preached, was always full. The Duke of Lesdiguières, the king's lieutenant in Dauphiné, although belonging to the Reformed religion, esteemed our saint so highly that he went every day to hear him. Despite numerous attempts to dissuade him, he responded that he was well aware of the religion of St. Peter and that of Calvin. He also said that he had never seen a gentleman or prince become a minister of the Reformation, while Monsignor of Geneva was both a great lord by birth and a prince of the Holy Roman Empire, in addition to being filled with the Spirit of God in his discourses. Reflection of December 4th. Today's reflection speaks to the infinite abundance of God's love and how this love is inexhaustible and impartial. We can all partake fully in this love without it being diminished for anyone, reflecting God's infinite goodness. This principle of fullness in divine love invites us to open our hearts to receive and reflect that love in our lives and towards others. The story of St. Francis de Sales in Grenoble demonstrates the power of true faith and devotion in attracting and uniting people of different beliefs. Despite efforts to silence him, his ability to fill the audience and the respect he garnered from influential figures like the Duke of Lesdiguières indicate the resonance of his spiritual message and the transformative impact of his preaching. The scene highlights the influence of personal testimony and life example. St. Francis de Sales showed that true spiritual courage lies in preaching with love and truth, regardless of opposition. This story reminds us of the importance of standing firm in our faith and allowing our divinely guided love to inspire others to seek the truth.